Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Oxidation of monosaccharides with nitric acid, HNO3. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reagent. HNO3, nitric acid, with heat, delta, is a strong oxidizing agent. Moving on to the next step. Determine what HNO3 does to D-glucose. When D-glucose is treated with dilute HNO3, a mild oxidizing agent like Br2H2O, only the aldehyde group, ChO, is oxidized to give D-gluconic acid. However, concentrated HNO3, a stronger oxidizing agent, oxidize both the aldehyde group at C1 and the primary alcohol group at C6 to carboxylic acid groups, -CoO, yielding a dicarboxylic acid called a saccharic acid, aldaric acid. And for the final step, D-glucose oxidized at both ends by HNO3 heat gives D-glucaric acid, also called disaccharic acid, which is a dicarboxylic acid, aldaric acid, with CoO groups at both C1 and C6. A. D-gluconic acid, this is the product of mild oxidation, only ChO oxidized, example, by Br2H2O, not HNO3. B. D-glucityl, this is the reduction product, using NaBH4 or H2Ne, not oxidation. C. D-fructose, this is an isomer obtained by isomerization, not by HNO3 oxidation. D. D-glucaric acid, correct, both terminal groups oxidized by HNO3 delta to give the aldaric acid. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.